I mean, there's one thing I keep saying. No matter where we find ourselves in this life, no matter what happens, because it's like as we're growing, perspectives are changing, a lot is changing. But there's one thing I still believe in. There's a kind of bond we share, and it's not something that comes by easily. And like I always say, it, no matter what happens, it will be too difficult to break.
You see this Uche Nancy, whenever I see her and her family, if they get this kind joy where they get, the woman trained her kids so much. She used love scatter their heads, cause I don't understand like the kind of love with these children they share, they burst bubbles. Sonia Uche, the first daughter, don't come out, come promise her siblings, say no matter what happen for this life, is she and them against the world. Say she go there for them, she there for them. No matter what happen, nothing will ever break the bond they shared. She come they tell the public, say she understands, say changes don't begin the day one of her sister don't marry, she dey happy for her. She come they advise them, say no matter what happen, make the love continue. No be when this one go marry, this one dey this, and make them no forget the kind love where their mama trade them with. Whenever you're listening to Uche Nancy and family, you go to enjoy their conversation. You go be like, say, make the video no end. And you can enjoy they get whenever they listen to them. Okay, guys, I'll play the rest of the video. Make una take una ear here waiting they talk. This particular video, now just smile. You go just they smile. You go just they happy. I promise you that. And I know say for this page, no one news that they carry come. This way they totally body. As in the cook na so they carry can give you now. It's still your one and only I'm a boss Cindy. See Oliver now. Oliver don't join the family. Just they jubilate, they go. Uche Nancy just they pray for them. Say may Baba God keep them safe for her. So she don't turn 50 years old. She knows say she no get power again, you know. Things will begin to change for them. But no matter what thing happen, may they no leave each other. May they continue to grow and wax in love. May they no remember their papa again. May they just focus on themselves. Okay guys, make we watch the rest of the video. Do well to follow this channel for more OMg news with the total body. Like, share, comment. It they give me one kind encouragement to continue. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Now some of you will say, when Sonia is crying, I feel like crying with her. It's my heart then. Tears need to come out too. People will say, Mommy came, she was like, they say I don't know how to act. And I remember because I was feeling so bad. This my sister, Ijoma, was there with me that day. And because of the way Mommy was talking, all the things that they were saying to me, Ijoma started crying. Because I think at that point, she was not happy that they were saying all that. And honestly, I didn't even know when I started crying in that film. Truth is, we've come a long way. A long way, guys. And I pray that this God that has kept us will continue to keep us.
Amen.
Nobody used to call us for job. Now it's us that when we see phone calls coming, we're scared. Should we pick up? Should we not pick? Because why? The jobs are now too much. We can't even keep up.
Chai.
And who do we have to thank? This man above. Say thank you. And we say thank you to Mommy.
God used you as a vessel
for believing,
to impact in us.
for teaching us this acting thing. So yeah, Sonia can do village girl. It's how when she be telling me, Sonia, do this one, she will insult me, I'll be feeling bad. At the point I even called my uncle. Mommy is doing this, Mommy is doing that. I was thinking they would support me. He told me I should go there because I was not doing it well. So Mommy, we are grateful.
Mommy, thank you.
Thank you so much. Even when we piss you off, and my own was past.
Even when she pisses us off too.
Are they pissing her off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hi Jake, I've entered film.
Hey guys, so this is my all wait Joma.
Hi Jake, come now. Come on,
Please take this video and please get that where she is. You should leave it over alone.
I will not stress her out.
It's carrying out.
Like this is what our face.
This our vacation.
Our first baby.
I know if you talk, where come on, watch it.
Let's go to that side. Come here.
So, guys, this is Uche Nancy and family, and we want to use this medium to appreciate you people, to thank you people for standing with us, for believing in us, for supporting us, for believing in my children. Craft.
You got it right.
I got it right. So
My mother has spark.
Yes. So
Number take.
spark. So I'm 50 and I'm happy and I'm grateful to God.
Mommy, take it easy. I've not reached the 50 yet.
50, but from
She's 50, guys.
Yes. I'm 50, so and I'm grateful to God. Yes, and I thank God for this my girls. Then please, you people should also thank them because it's not easy to born girls. The kind of stress where girls they give us is too much. But for me, I notice say they are too much for me. So I really thank God. And we are going on vacation. Oh, let me say it. And this so here,
Mommy.
don't tell me mommy. And this so here is not going with us. And this my 50th vacation. This holiday, I need it. I don't want when I post something, somebody will come and tell me where is Sonia. So is not here. It will piss me off. I invited her, but something came up. So everybody is adults now. And I want you people to take it that however I see these people from now, you people should understand they're not with me again. This one, you don't come out. Maybe the next person, and they will not. The fact,
Always be.
Yes, you people have to understand it. You have to understand it now. Things they call change, you don't change you. Now myself I know. Now from this my 50, now myself I know. Even this morning, yeah, the kind big here what she they do for myself. Myself now one eyes I take the look at. And she, in fact, some of the things self I will just say go. Before I used to carry her like handbag. Now she be the handbag. Now she be everything. So and she's doing well for herself. So everybody is doing well for herself. Chinanu's own. When I don't say sunshine correction, that's what she dey dance. They do this thing anyhow. Even if you tell her say she know they do and well, now you start. He said she will come shake the nyash for you. Come go do. That is her own. Now you sabi. So I beg you people should wish all of them best journey of life. That is what you people should read them. Uche Nancy family. Anytime you people see content, you take it. If you don't see content, you go no say content no day. Now me go be the only content. Now they tell una and the Chinanu, two of us team. I resign from adults to baby care. So thank you guys.